In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default currency on the Wise app. Let's get into it. Important, Wise doesn't let you set one single default currency for your entire account. Instead, Wise uses smart conversion technology that automatically picks the best currency to use based on what you're doing. However, you can change the default currency for specific features. If you're using groups in Wise Business, open the group you want to edit, tap the three dots, select Edit Group, and you can change the default currency for that specific group. For your main balance display, go to the home screen and tap on any currency you want to see first. The app will remember your most recently viewed currencies and show them at the top of your list. When you're spending with your Wise card, the app automatically converts from the currency with the lowest conversion fee. You can't manually set which currency to spend from first. If you want to change which currency appears first in your balance list, just open that currency more often. Wise prioritizes the currencies you interact with most. And that's it. While you can't set a global default currency, you can customize which currencies you see first and set defaults for specific groups. If this video helped you out, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab so you don't miss more tutorials like this.